How to sign into Life360 app. Now if you want to sign into the Life360 app, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Life360 app, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now first, if you don't have an account, you can just tap on the get started option here and make sure you enter your phone number or email address or whatever you'll say this to help you get started. But as you discussed, if you already have an account, you can tap the sign in button instead. Now you can make sure to actually enter your phone number if you want to go ahead and then log in. Otherwise, you can also sign in directly using your email address by simply tapping on it, and then just make sure to go ahead and enter your email address, tap on continue, and then just make sure to enter your password and tap on continue. And if your details are correct, you'll be successfully signed into your Life360 account. If you happen to forget your password, then you can tap on the forgot password option right at the bottom in order to reset it. This way you'll be able to sign into the Life360 app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.